Even at 60, I still love the joy of planning for baby showers. So come with me as I pack 30 favorite boxes, starting out with these pink boxes in which I ordered from Amazon. They come in a pack of 30 for about $15, $16. I've added some pink tissue paper to add some color in the inside of the box. These keepsakes are going to be a hit for the baby shower. They come in 3 sets per package, sizes from a quarter of a teaspoon all the way to a tablespoon. Guests will have these for years to come. Next are, if you haven't done this, this is something that you would want to incorporate in your baby showers, and these are name suggestion cards. It allows the guests to give the parents suggestions for names. Next, we'll add all of this into the box with a yummy cupcake, which we accented with a gold cupcake holder. We have the name suggestion cards that we added in a box with a pencil to write with, and we packed everything in here. So this baby shower is pretty practical. Now it's time to begin to seal the box with all the contents in the box. Oh, notice that there's a little gold fork in there. We added that so that the guests can use the fork to eat the cupcakes. So we are assembling the two sides of the box. You'll see this little tab that pops out once you assemble the box, and you can just pop that little tab off prior to adding your accents. I also chose to add this lavender color ribbon along with a pink clothespin as an accent to the box. And finally, we have a transparent sticker that we will add to add a little color to the front of the box that labels the box for the baby shower. Came out very, very cute. We really love these. We did 30 of them. And then we realized that we will have some kids and we wanted to give them the treat as well. So we used these bags. We packed just the cupcakes in these little cupcake treat boxes and put them in bags for the kids. And in addition to those items in the favor boxes, we created menu cards for all the guests and exactly what they ordered. Just remember, you can create affordable, beautiful, memorable baby shower favor boxes that your guests and the expected parents will love.